How to view old stories on Facebook. So first is to launch the Facebook application. And then tap the three horizontal lines or the menu icon found on the upper right corner. And then tap the gear icon, which is also found on the upper right corner. And then from here, scroll down until you find this section, your activity. Under your activity is the activity log. Tap that option. And then from here, there are two ways on how you can see your old stories. First is to tap on the archive button found on the upper left corner. Then tap story archive. And then from here, you will see your old stories or your past stories. Another is to go back and then tap the story activity next to the public tags. And then tap archive. And you will see the same stories. And so that is how you view old stories on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.